Women definitely need to know more about their yonis, because often, and I'm just going to say this from my own personal experience, is that when it comes to intimacy with a partner, I struggled for years to be able to communicate to a partner what I wanted, because I didn't know my own body. I didn't know what turned me on, and I was really shy when it came to receiving. And so it was so much easier to put my attention out onto my partners, because the truth is that I didn't know anything about my own yoni. So I'm super excited to be able to have this yoni mapping and actually discover something about myself. For me, this is where confidence really lies, and I know deep down that I'm excited to feel more empowered about my own body.